helping you because you pay my ticket, so I have to do something.
Where are we going?
To old city.
Centro de Bruno, sacó Hausen. Lo quería Lamin, la deja ahí Bruno, la clava se queja el camiseta de Díaz.
It's a basic place where we are. I gotta look like Sylvester Stallone.
Oh yeah.
I'm the birth man. No, but I don't want it.
Yeah, come on.
Ooh. Get it. Going to rent bicycle.
Oh, bicicleta.
Here, enjoy it riding. Going to the island. Really good. This is excited bike ride, man. Having a lot of them.
I'm gonna eat a lot too now. Let's go. One pizza, one a soup, two a pizza, one a burger.
Hey, don't get sex with my phone. What's going on with you? No, stop.
We're going on a tour.
I'm gonna fish it. We're gonna look at fishes down there. I see where people. Starfish in my hand, underwater. Piña colada,
Piña colada inside the pineapple. I coco loco inside the.
It's my friend. He's the owner, manager, and the dishwasher of this company.
Coca, frustrated.
You need to let me know that I should make money with that guy beside us. Looking me the whole trip without clothes. Yeah, this 4x4.
Hey, oh, danger, danger! It's, it's too deep. What are you doing, man? Come on.
Otherwise you get die and hit you.
What's in your ears? Popcorn?
Where we going, Ted?
Not fishes.
No. Stupid birds. They say that they call this. Hey, sorry. Can I meet you? Can you give me your hand? No, he says no. Qué bonito, man. Very cute, man. That guy is dead. Look. Yeah, he's kind of a Batman. You can pick him if you want.
O por ejemplo, estos no pueden pasar para el golero, pero en la presentación
I don't know, it's an African one, I think. And he talks. Hola. Hola. You see?
go.
Sounds... Say something. Something. Say it. Fuck, no. What's up? No. No quiero cacao. What's up? I said. I want to get high. I want to get high. I want to get high.
Want to get high, want to get high.
Why yes?
Want to get high.
They got drunk. I want to get high. I want to get high.